All right, so I wanted to show to you guys what Wednesday is going to look like because when you were to look at the agenda, it's going to look overwhelming, but it's not really overwhelming. So I wanted to walk you through it. So let me open up a Google Classroom here. All right, you'll see on the Google Stream under this week's schedule, if you look right here, it says 9-23 to-do list. If you'll click there, that kind of gives you a rundown of what you're going to do. There's really only 4 things. You got some math, reading, a moment of science, which really should be less than 10 minutes, and then a writing piece, okay? So I want you to see something here. In math, you need to do an iReady lesson. They have already completed a iReady diagnostic. So what they did was they went in, they figured out what your child needs help with the most, and they've set them up with lessons. So go ahead and have them log into iReady. It's the same username and password. Lunch number is their username. The password is Tigers with a capital T 2020. Click on iReady. It's the same thing. They need to do 30 minutes of iReady for math and 30 minutes of iReady for reading. Okay. Then, if you go into the actual Google Classroom and you click on the agenda, the next thing that they need to do is do the factors and multiples review lesson. All right, so that will be right here. I don't know why it didn't copy down my title, but if you were to click on it, it pops up factors and multiples lesson. It's a little 16-minute video. I'm basically kind of walking them through how to do their independent works. So they'll watch the lesson, and then there's these boom cards right here. Now, they know how to get in it, but I'm going to show you how to get in it as well. So they click on boom cards. They click on their name. And then the password is Tigers with a capital T, no 2020. And then there will be a deck down here that says factors and multiples or something along those lines. They just click on it and answer the questions. But they know how to do boom cards because we've been doing them in class. So then that's math. I also made a boom cards how-to video right down here in case they forget how to do it. Most of the stuff is videos. The math iReady for 30 minutes. Now, there's a figurative language video lesson right here. They're going to be copying in their reading notebook a anchor chart on similes, metaphors, and idioms. They are allowed to pause it, and I tell them that in the video. Okay. But if they need to make the screen bigger, because I know they're writing stuff, they might not be able to see that small screen. If they click right here, it makes the video bigger and they can see it easier. After they do that video, there's a similes and metaphor YouTube clip right here if they want to watch it. They don't have to if they don't want to, but I mentioned it in our video. Then they need to do the similes and metaphor person. It's right here. And this is a Jamboard. They know how to use a Jamboard. But the first slide is directions, right? Similes or metaphors that describes that body part on you. The next slide is an example of how it should be. So here I have a picture of me, and I wrote similes and metaphors that describe my hair, my mouth, my pants, my eyes, and my shirt. And then on the third slide, all they have to do is double click. My hair is as red as fire, or my hair is fire. Okay, write similes or metaphors that describe that body part or clothing item on you. Okay, and then there is a writing one right here. They're just doing a planning of a writing. Next Wednesday, we will actually physically write something. But congratulations, they won a trip to anywhere around the world. Where would they go? And so here I tell them that today you're going to start planning your opinion paragraph. Next Wednesday, you will write your paragraph. On the next slide, write where you want to go, and then give 3 reasons why. They just need to fill out this chart here, telling me where they want to go, and 3 reasons why. Okay, so that's the writing. And then the next one is Moment of Science, Edpuzzle video, boom. Now, let me log in as a kid. Well, I can't log in as a kid, but if you're logged in as a kid, it may bring you up to like a login page here. They need to click login with Google. And they're just going to watch this video, and there's 3 questions that's going to pop up in the video. Now, like I said it was 10 minutes long. It really shouldn't be 10 minutes long because this video is only 2 minutes and 24 seconds. So it might take them maybe 8 minutes. I don't think it should take them more than 10. But so that's all they're doing today. Okay, I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not. If you have any questions, message me. I'm not going to have any office hours on Wednesday because of meetings that they have us in and planning purposes. We're getting ready for Plan B, and we're also just getting ready for just regular how Wednesdays are going to be until we enter Plan A. Wednesdays will always be from now on totally 100% remote, nothing live, no Google Meets on Wednesdays.